Alert! If you are viewing this, you may be in grave danger and must obey the following safety protocols. If you were previously unaware of our existence, the SCP Foundation is a group dedicated to the containment of supernatural anomalies that could cause damage to human civilization. SCP-682 is an extremely dangerous reptilian entity that is in your area. SCP-682 has a hatred for all life. No method to permanently kill SCP-682 has been found, as the creature is regenerative and adaptable. For your safety you should stay at home, in a basement, or other secure location, if possible. Barricade all entrances to your home. Watch news sources for further updates on the situation. The SCP Foundation's soldiers will be in your area shortly, with heavy weaponry to pacify the creature long enough for it to be contained. Secure. Contain. Protect.